right, guys and girls, we just wanted to give you just some quick pointers on how many Bead and Cove strips go on your board. This is kind of a common question. With this new, the new way that we build our boards here, basically we have to Bead and Cove, we have to run our Bead and Cove strips until the base of the bead is above this corner where the shaped part of the rail meets the notch. So as you can see in the nose of this board, we have to bring each rail strip up so that it's over and above the top of this notch. And as the board gets thinner in the nose and the tail, it requires fewer rail strips. So in the middle of the board, we may have 8. Up here at frame number 2, we only have 3 rail strips on this particular board. But always use these notches as a guide and make sure to bring your Bead and Cove strips until they're fully above each notch. Okay, so what's important is that the bottom of the bead is above the notch. We have to make sure there's enough wood there to shape down to accept the next layer of rails. When in doubt, add another strip. Just extend it a little further than you think. But once you're above that notch, you're in good shape.